So this piece is called Cell Division, and I actually painted it on an old pair of Amir's karate pants that he outgrew. So it's white canvas pants, you know, the kind you wear in karate school, and I just started painting all these cells, and then I noticed that one of them was dividing. So I didn't even draw the cells on purpose. I just kind of started with some taupe circles on this white canvas, and then I outlined them in red and then painted around it in blue, leaving some of the white. But this one's called Cell Division. And then I took the whole piece and adhered it to this canvas. So this one's called Cell Division. I hope you like it.